How to create Hoplink in Clickbank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Clickbank account and after that just click on this option of affiliate marketplace and wait for it to load, and after a while you will be able to find different categories over here. Just choose any of the category as per your niche, and after that you will be able to find a lot of products over here that you can promote. And in order to create the Hoplink, you need to just click on this option of promote. After that, type your nickname and click on this option of create Hoplink, and this way you would be able to create Hoplink. So in case if you are not able to find your affiliate nickname, you can just simply go to the settings of Clickbank and you would be able to create your nickname. Just click on create Hoplink and your Hoplink will be created. Just copy it and promote it, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.